Starfield lands on PS5 with new content and price drop after over 2 years as an Xbox and PC exclusive. Bethesda's space RPG Starfield is finally launching on PlayStation 5 on April 7th. The release comes alongside 2 significant updates: the paid Terran Armada DLC and the free Lanes expansion, both rolling out across all platforms. Hardware integration and accessibility. Bethesda confirms the PS5 version will leverage the console's hardware features. The DualSense controller will offer immersive audio feedback through its built-in speaker for in-game logs and ship communications, while the light bar will display real-time health and ship integrity status. PS5 Pro owners will also have the option to prioritize either higher frame rates or improved graphics fidelity. This is more than just a port, suggesting Bethesda has invested in adapting the game to the PlayStation ecosystem. The move comes at a time when multi-platform releases are increasingly common, though timed exclusives still exist to generate initial sales advantages. Price reduction and DLC details to coincide with the PS5 launch. Starfield is receiving a permanent price cut to $49.99 across all platforms. This makes the 2-year-old title more accessible to new players, a strategic move considering its initial high price point. The Terran Armada DLC $9.99 introduces a new questline centered around the settled systems, including new locations, characters, and loot. Owners of the Starfield Premium Edition on Xbox and Steam will receive this DLC at no additional cost. The Free Lanes expansion. A deeper experience, the more substantial update is the Free Lanes expansion, which significantly enhances the core gameplay loop. Players can now manually travel between planets within star systems, triggering random encounters and crew interactions during interplanetary flights. Additional features include new locations, encounters, and dungeons for increased discovery. X-Deck, a new resource for upgrading gear. Enhanced enemy modifiers for tougher challenges. A new land vehicle, the Moon Jumper. Outpost improvements, including cross-outpost storage and the Milieu pet. New crew members, Muria and the Minibot. The ability to carry limited items between playthroughs in New Game Plus mode. Long-awaited arrival and industry trends, the PS5 release of Starfield has been anticipated for over a year, raising questions about Bethesda's delay. While the reasons remain unclear, the launch signals a shift in Bethesda's release strategy. The company previously used timed exclusives to drive sales on specific platforms, but now appears to be prioritizing wider accessibility. The combination of a price drop, meaningful free content, and hardware integration suggests Bethesda is aiming to revitalize Starfield's player base. The long-term impact on sales and engagement remains to be seen, but the PS5 launch represents a significant step toward broader market reach.